In a rate box, select this cell reference. This is basically interest rate. I assume this interest rate to calculate the present value of an investment. This interest rate is called rate of return or the discount rate. The rate of return determines the time value of money and gives us a method of comparing present value to future value. In a value 1 box, select the future value of an investment after the first year. Rather than use select each year value in a value 1 box, value 2 box, value 3 box, and so on. Select the cell references range in a value 1 box. Select these cell references range. Click OK. So the present value of the investment is $338,653. This is also called 2-day value of the investment. If I agree this method and rate of return, then company will return me $338,653 on the $300,000 initial investment. If I receive yearly payments from to the company after the 15 years, first select cell references range, click Home tab. In editing group, click Auto Sum button. So after the 15 year, I will receive total amount from to the company $593,000, but today I will receive total amount from to the company $338,653 at this rate of return.